the win.
Ikaw naman ba?
Mga babae sa personal yan, maliit na chubby.
Carla Villana. I'm in a program right now. It's called South Beach Diet. Bongga. May budget ang diet.
Pagkatapos niya, kambing-kambingan ka na, puro gulay ng kinakain, cool down. Nadaanan ko yan, 1 year na. Ang ganda nang nangyari.
Ay!
Chubby yan dati.
So, how is the first time mo South Beach?
Yeah, it's my first time. It's very difficult. Because I love food, I love eating, and now I'm in a program, it's very difficult. Tough. It's tough.
Pero, for the sake of the crown, Queen of Queens, Super Serena. No?
One more question.
Go ahead.
Paano naman ang mental preparation mo? Siyempre, hindi lang naman ito puro obviously, you need to be in a relaxing mode so that you can be able to compete with